thought my SD card was just trash. It was just freaking out making format. I'm on the way to Metro Performance right now. They said they're throwing the car in the dyno. Let's see if I can get there in time. Should be good. Made it. I hear it. Oh shit. Oh fuck shits. Get my sweater. Let's go. It's stupid cold outside of Marietta right now too, so yeah, it's fucking cold. I'm gonna tell you, I'm one to bitch about cold, but it's fucking cold. All right, let's see what this bitch does. It's cold. The cheap ones from Amazon. So every videographer, everybody that films YouTube, they'll tell you to buy them from Amazon. It's these fucking Sony batteries. They want like 50 bucks for one. You can buy like 2 and a charger for shit, I don't know, 15, 20, if that. And they last pretty good for the most part. So stoked to get the car back. We're gonna make so many videos. I did plan on like maybe plasti dipping the wheels. I know it's plasti dip, but I wanted to try and see what a color looked like before I went and powder coated some expensive ass Volks rays. Yeah, we'll probably do that in the next video. Maybe switch that other exhaust back on too, see how loud that is with this setup. That's gonna be ridiculous. We'll get some banger videos coming out soon. Carlos's car. Made 6 something, I forget. He's already done. I guess he hopped on this morning and then mine was next. Mr. Fancy Carlos's car. It looks savvy now. That wing's pretty bitchin', huh? Got all kinds of shit in here. Mr. Carlos. Fucking fighter jet car. Just realized somebody unicorned me. The antenna. I got unicorned. I just realized the banner right here too. Sneaky, sneaky. Nice little spot. Car looks so good when it's dirty too. Look at them wheels. I think they're still shiny from cleaning them last. Sexiest hatch on YouTube, baby. I want to be here when this thing gets dynoed. Super machine, guys. The super machine. I don't know what Sheppy is. Sheepy? Sheepy built? Sheepies. Everything's looking sad so far, guys. Made 627, but the key is we're revving out more. We're not going to be losing boost between gears, and we got a smaller hot side, so we're spooling sooner. What are you doing, Fancy Pants?
Moving the wideband. Just taking your Very nice plug out. Move it right here so we can get a more accurate wideband reading. Because right now, it's pegging rich when it's not rich.
Yeah. What he said.
What I said.
What he said. Read all the way. It's fourth gear, doesn't want to pull out for some reason. The car's running really strong right now. They're trying to figure out something with the dyno, trying to get the graph to read out all the way in fourth gear or something. They're gonna get that situated and see, I think, maybe get a little more power out of it. I don't think it's done yet, but waiting for these lads to come back. LEDs are bright. Diode Dynamics. Thank you. Love it. I'm trying to get some cameras set up. We're gonna take the car out. I don't know if I want to do like a POV first person type of view, or if I should mount the GoPro on the window. I don't know what would be cool. I think it'd be cool to do a POV, but I don't know. All right, boys, gotta get us some gas. We're at about a quarter tank, and then I guess rip it around, take it home, rip it around, see how this thing does, huh? Oh, the wind is on a whole other level. It's really cold out today, so that's great too. I'm not doing anything that I don't film, so don't worry about me like already ripping on it and then you guys see after or whatever, Everything I'm doing now, you're seeing it real time for the most part. The car's still warming up, just kind of taking it down to get gas, and I'll give it some on the way back. There's like motorcycle cops and shit all around the shop right now where they usually do stuff, or the only place to do stuff. I gotta get those off. I hear these things rip. These BMW, fuck, what is it, X5, X something? I don't know, they're the full electric cars. already said it, driving motorcycles and shit up and around, it's kind of sketchy. Start heading home and come back and get the other car a little later. So we'll hit the highway and see how much of a difference this smaller hot side is. The car did 627. The dyno, I don't know if it's a software, something's starting to act up on that dyno, which is kind of weird. The graph would stop reading at like 6,500. The car definitely had more in it for sure, but it's at 627. The small hot side is what's gonna be fun. That's for damn sure. We're gonna see what's up real quick. I don't know if this turbo is louder with the hot side or what, but this thing is